Let me tell you first, to repair this Rotimakker, tools must be used. If you have this kind of screwdriver at home, it will be more convenient. For loose screws, follow the screws. If there is no such electric screwdriver, it is okay to have this manual one. Then when the machine fails, the first thing we did was put this flour container. Take it out and take all three. Then there is the following. We take out this base and take out this container. We need to put this top cover opens and open the back cover at the back. If you open it, there's a screw here. Here's a screw. First, loosen these two screws. After releasing, then here. Back cover, there are 4 screws here. Also loosen these 4 screws first. When the screw is loosened, we can lift this upper cover. After lifting it, you can use a little force here. I took it out. After that, there are 123. Here's another screw. You cannot take it out after this is loosened. All 56 screws are loosened. After loosening, the bottom is below. There are still 5 screws in it. 12,345. Loosen all 5 screws. Then you can take out this back cover. After opening the back cover, there are 2 wires connecting the 2 fans here. Then these 2 wires are universal, so we just unplug it. After unplugging, you can remove this back cover. About how these 3 panels are separated. You can see the screws here. There are screws here and there are screws below. And then there's this. Here are 2 screws. After loosening this screw accordingly, if these 3 panels are left and right, can be separated.